They're conducting energy from the sun. Got all kind of weird objects and orbs, and they all connect to each other and to the sun. See that? Yeah, I don't think so. They always try to get your attention. Look at that, when you get a good shot. You see that? Don't fall for them. They'll fly right over your head trying to get your attention. But look at that. Okay? You tell me what kind of cloud that is? I contend that's not a cloud. And that they harness the sun's energy. Look at that. See, he wanted my attention. Look at it. You see that? Wow. Harnessing the sun's energy. It'll change real quick. Look at that. You can see what I mean, right? They're not all just clouds, it's new technology. See that? See? There's like a big sphere in the middle there. It's all connected. Look at that. I want to go in close, but then you miss. Wow, look at it. See how that conducts energy all the way through there? That's something else. Look at that. Here we're going in. We're going in. We can't help ourselves. See them orbs? What kind of clouds is that supposed to be? All of them. Look at that. See all the orbs in there and objects and how it's woven together with that black stuff to help conduct the energy. And look at all that. You see that? It's all connected. And that's a cloud. I don't think so. I'm saying categorically, these are not all clouds. See? See that? You see that? That long arm, they always have one. Has all kind of things sticking out on it. It conducts energy from the sun. With all those things. See? And it conducts energy all the way over there. all over the place. See it? You dogs don't ever be quiet. You see that? That is not a cloud, look. It's an energy conductor. See those things? Orbs. See that? It just gets too good, I tell you. Can you see it? When you're cussing the dog out, the dog won't move. Look it up there. Hey, Pop.
You take it up there.
Oh, yeah.
Tree tops, huh?
Oh, yeah.
I'm close to that.
Okay. See? They're conducting energy from the sun. See that?